Good morning. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this person in my house and him tear out the baseboard and pull up my place. I don't know what's going on. I just wake up and see all this disaster happening. So please, can you all just pray for me that the Lord will come through and everything will work out how it's supposed to work out. We're trying to get rid of this unit thing here, the wire them and them things. And so my goodly friend, Ronald, is a very, very proficient carpenter / handy person, is helping me to do this job. All right? So I'm going to show you little by little what's going on. We just went to the Home Depot and we're trying to do the best we can. So where do you know, Ronald? Where do you know?
Well, we take off the baseboard so we can take measurements so we can get the cabinet them set up, the base set up, cabinet set up, so we can start the framing for the fireplace.
So where you going to do with that? Where you take out this for now?
Because we got to run the wire from that one to the
middle part of the wall.
The center of the wall where the TV is going to be mounted. So
I'll mounting a TV are going to get, yes, ladies and gentlemen.
So we have to, as I said, take off the covers and see what we're working with. But see what happened now. This one is going to fall into the box.
Okay. So we don't need to really trouble it. Yeah, we can just adjust the back of the box.
Just cut a hole in
the box.
The box and just slide it over it.
Right.
And then from there on out, we have to find a way on how to. This one here might have to just sink it into the wall.
Or we can run the wire up into the wall, right, same way. All right.
But I gotta measure this.
Me supposed to have more of this wire here. This.
Cable wire.
Yeah, me supposed to have cable wire.
Cable wire is long enough though.
Okay.
You roll up underneath the.
Okay.
So it's supposed to be long enough.
All right.
But for right now, I'm gonna measure this, so I can make the base and then set them cabinets on top of it so we can see what we dimension.
Oh, and we'll buy them cabinet, yeah.
Yeah, come, hold it.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Hold to the line there.
So I have to hold the tape, make it measure.
So we have 87 and a quarter. And now we have to measure the cabinet.
Okay. So this is where we reach now. Just put on them two something here, them not screw up yet. We patch the wall, move the plug them and put them up here so the TV can go on the top there so. And now we're going to try to start setting the fireplace. You understand? So it look like it'll happen. Him tear down the house. And I don't know what's going to happen as a result. But it look like something a key. Where do they know? Anchor the something?
Cabinet. Make sure we cabinet move.
So, little by little. And guys, not because you see him bend down there, I only take a break to film it and me I do all of the work.
Mercy.
But yeah, man. So here we are now. We just make a little spot for putting the heater aspect of the fireplace. I have a heater section we want to put on. So framing are going on for the fireplace. That's so good. So you can just send that screw through the metal and everything. The long one.
Give me shot. Give me this screw. Can you give me?
No short one, you say?
I think they will have been long enough.
And the short one can go through the side of the cabinet now. See there, guys. That bill.
2.5.
So this is where we reach now. You understand? I just wanted to know, say I'm working hard too. You understand?
Hard too. You might work hard too.
I am here working, cutting.
You might work hard and you might work hard too. Just saying, not you say it on me.
No worry, it's alright.
No worry, we. Do not
But
worry,
it's coming on
we.
fine. It's coming on fine. Now we're gonna start the sheetrock work. Which
Okay.
is to add the sheetrock to all of the space in there now.
So you have a sheet rock already?
Yeah man.
It's looking good, looking good. No more bookcases.
See there?
So if you're in the Port St. Lucie area and you're looking for somebody who can do built-ins and all of these nice cabinetry,
All of the
is the
people
man to
them,
call.
yeah. Everybody in Port St. Lucie right now. And some are start Port St. Lucie, West Palm,
Vera Beach,
Vera Beach,
Stewart, West,
Jupiter. Which part again?
Okitobe, and Tokyo. Wait.
When I see the finishing, then I gonna love it.
I'm going to love it.
The amount come perfect to some extent. So this is how far we reach. Cabinets are in, and we're just pretty much gonna clean up, and then we're gonna put some drywall paint and stuff, and drywall mud, same thing like what we use here. Yeah, we're gonna put that pan here. So all right, the top I'm gonna have to work my magic and get the top started out. I know what I want, so I'm gonna work with something that I can use. More want a nice wooden top, wooden finish, nicely done. And then we have some more finishing where we're gonna do on the wall itself. And yeah, fireplace here. We've been testing back and forth, and guys, this fireplace is not a brand new fireplace, but it was one that I got online. And I just talked to Ronald and tell him what my idea was. And yeah, him work it out. So I just wanted to show you guys that it's possible, to get something done and you gotta enjoy it. It's possible. Don't fret, don't worry, don't make it be a bother. This has done it today. We're gonna get rid of all them wire. Every one of them wire I gonna last. We don't see no wires. TV I got up on the wall and everything I got flush and just look good. Put on the flash band tape now. Make sure say all of the cut them and all of the crease them seal. So you go. So that band twist up there right there. So by the end of the weekend, we suppose we can see what we're through with this fireplace thing. We're not in a rush, we don't have no deadline, nobody not force we, and nobody can beat we in here. You understand? So we just take with time and see if we can do something. Between today and January, the New Year, fireplace supposed to on New Year's Eve night. New Year's Eve night, fireplace on and fire are burning and chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
And a fireplace in my living room.
We're not up one time, up overnight. That's where you go.
When I happen,
We're not if it morning or evening, something to that effect. You understand? But little by little we're seeing it happen. It's happening. So yeah. We do what we can do and we'll make it happen here, man. That's as simple as that. Just like that, people. So this is the test run. Yeah. TV on. And everybody start complaining now, so we need a bigger TV. And ladies and gentlemen, me never have no plans and no aspiration. This is what is gonna show. Me still can't see it. Me no need nothing bigger yet. You understand? The Lord knows the way through the wilderness. So anybody ever use 75-inch TV or 80-inch or 90-inch or 100-inch, or no one give away, I'm willing to take it. If no one give away none. But otherwise from that, this is what we're gonna watch. And I don't business say little. Alright? The Lord knows the way through the wilderness. So see there guys, there's something done dress up. We're leaving this to dry overnight. And we just connect the TV to see how it look and see if the measurements right. A little bit high in my estimation, but me not rush them. I leave them alone because when my mad spirit take me take it down. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. It's coming along. So this is the rough part of the job, the dirty part of the job. We make to stand up all of the putty that was put down, and get it cleaned up so we can prime it and paint.
Alright guys, so update with the TV unit.
Stand down as much as we can stand down already.
Which is right there for the fireplace housing. It was sanded down.
So now we just a prime out. The prime I had terrible though.
They sold you that and it's terrible? It's not thick enough.
It have lumpy night. So let's see if I can navigate this problematic type of thing.
So did you tell them about the hack about buying cabinets? If you want to buy the cabinet in color, it's like almost double. Very close to double
And triple.
the price.
And triple.
But if you buy it in the natural wood tone, then, you know, of course, it's more affordable. And then you just have the task of putting whatever color you want on it. So that's what we're doing now. Priming it so that he can put the finishing color. This is a, what kind of primer, babe?
Gripper.
Gripper. Okay. So
It's
it helps
called gripper.
help the paint grip, or to help the cabinet to grip the paint.
Something. Some gripping one.
Yeah, so that's the update, you guys. Stick and stay. We will be right back.
Alright guys, so I spend basically the whole day both on the road and, you know, trying to cut these moldings to put around it, you know, fix up back and stuff. And I did, as you saw earlier on, I did put on a coat of paint on this and just all the little neat stuff. Put in this piece of wainscoting material at the on the corners to make it look neat. You know, simple little things. I'm gonna take nails and nail up this now. If I had a nail gun, it would have just but I do not have a nail gun, so it shall be going. And I had to rip these down, guys. I use the same 6-inch moldings that I had here, but I cut off 2 inches off of them, and you know, to make it fit around there and thing. All in all, it's progressing slowly but surely. I painted the inside part where the heat escapes. I paint that black, and I'm gonna put a grill over it, and yeah, just keep on at it little by little, and we'll see it get done. All right, so now I'm gonna put on the nail up the molding them. All right, so I just found these peel and stick tiles that I had. Same thing I had in the kitchen. So I figured it would balance nicely. You understand?
Look good to me.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good to
Yeah,
me.
thing, you know, anybody who don't like it just don't come our house.
If you don't like it, bite it.
Who don't like it just don't come to our house. That's all we can do right there.
I don't even think you need no fireplace. It's so good.
It needs a fireplace.
Just put another TV at the bottom. Hey guys, so that's the progress so far. Still haven't done the painting yet. Still primed. So we have that to do. He has something to do on the wall before.
And I put on the molding, as I showed you.
Oh yeah, the molding. Awesome.
Little by little. Progress.
Little by little, we say. Step by step.
Glue on the edge coming, so this edge come complete already. So the measurement.
Guys, we're on the hunt for a top for the cabinet, the cupboard, the console, cabinet situation, TV station situation. What size you want?
This my size.
Okay. Alright guys, so we're into the Lowe's trying to find solution for the top for the TV unit, and our dilemma is that they do not have boards in the measurement that we want them, and the thickness and the finish. So when we do find the finish, they don't have the size. When we do see the size, it's not the finish that we want, and so we're trying to make do and try to figure out something, but it's a little bit sticky and tricky.
Some wall if I gluing up would have to go on.
Oh, okay.
Would have to go. blow up and blow up and blow up and blow up. Sand down and sand up and blow up and sand down and sand.
So this, for example, would have been a nice piece. However, it's not 8 feet. And we need it to be 8 feet. This is shorter. This is 6 feet. Yeah. So that's a bummer. That's a bummer. That's a bummer. That's a bummer.
These are not good board.
Oh.
That's the problem.
Oh. But what's gonna happen with it? Like, based on what we're using it for, what's the worst that could happen?
We would probably just
Meaning?
have to really darken the something, darken it bad, you know?
Oh, so it's just the look, not the durability.
And see, it's a 12 inch, but it's not 12 inch. It's less than 12 inch.
Wide? I mean,
Yeah, it says 1 inch by 12 inch. See? It's not even 11 and a half. See 12 inch?
wow. Oh, it's supposed to be 12 by 8 feet.
Yeah, if it is
12
12,
inch. So, okay.
yeah, if it is 12, it's perfect.
Wow.
You see?
So them short change your people.
Yeah.
Why them doing that?
They are wicked.
No, sir.
See that? Not even 11 and it's not even 11 and a half.
The deception of it all.
Alright guys, so we stumble upon these pieces of, you know, board. Each one is 4 feet in length and it come with a beveled edge already. See the edge beveled. So I figure said this could have worked. 2 of this and just join it in the center by some means and then add a piece of, you know, one inch strip at the back. Use your router and router the edge them and you're good to go. You have a countertop. So I'm going to talk to Ronald and hear what Ronald say about that one, yeah? You know? See how some other piece, these are steps. Me find out what them is now, babes.
Yeah.
Steps. When you want to put on wooden step, it's like a step covering. Yeah, this can work. I'm going to talk to Ronald.
It's thicker down there.
Yeah, I like that one, yeah. So guys, look out for me.
The whole
The two color in the middle. Feel like I should just buy them, you know, instead of wait and suppose somebody come get it.
Really? Somebody will come get all of these?
Yes. We're living in a city where people just buy things. So, all right, guys, let's go see what's going on. So we're putting on the, you know, next coat of paint on this now, and then pretty much gonna try to insert the fireplace, clean up on the insides there. We don't want to really paint inside there, so because it not gonna show in at all, you know. But just put on some paint on this. I have to put on the next coat, the back panel there, so where we pick up at the store, you know. And of course, last night I spent the whole night and put on the stick-on tiles. Them, I like them. Them look good. Give it a little vibe, a little pop, you know. And so, guys, just follow through and like this video if you like what I'm going with so far. And yeah, I'm gonna try to put in the fireplace and show you how it look in a few. So guys, look on the finishing. Well, it's not finished yet because the counter, I just catch on the counter. The counter have to take off and varnish and put together and everything to make it look good. And then the top part of the wall, I forgot do and thing. You know, but this is how the fireplace look when it's in. Alright. Look nice, man. I'm not hide and talk, it look good. You know? And I'm not supposed to really go on a sneak peek. But you know, that's what's going on right there. Yes, sir, Bob. That's what's going on right there, so. Yes. So, and then, you know, see there? Come on now. Tell me now. So I'm gonna do the finish in the top part now. And then, I will see the rest. Yes, man. So, Ronald, you know, helped me and we put on the top. And the top that we're using was basically the 2 steps that you saw I picked up in Lowe's. Yeah, man, these are 2 steps, and we just, you know, basically put them together. Then there's a strip of wood behind here that we also put together, joined it together with wood glue and thing. And you see the mark in the middle. So the next thing that I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have to put on some gel, some stain or pre-stain. Let me show you some of those things that I bought. All right. So I bought the staining pad. Yeah, that's just basically some cloth we can use. I buy some polyurethane. I bought the wood finish. I bought a brush, and I bought the pre-stain. This is what I'm gonna put on first and allow this to go on for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna finish up the top. And hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed, we'll get to show you the finish, you know, wall unit right after this. I also have that little strip there that I have to put on the underside of the counter right here. Yeah, so I will definitely be showing you the finishing right after today. Sometime today you will see the finishing. So stay tuned, continue to watch. Oh, this look like just water. It look like liquor.
You know what it look like to me?
Wow.
It's supposed to be in one direction, that's all?
This it is in the direction of the grain.
Right.
See?
So, or is it 2 directions?
It's not 2 direction, it's 1 direction. See, the grain of the wood is going that way. You don't even know about grain.
I don't know a thing. Just leave it this color. I don't put nothing else. Here.
They said leave it this color.
And then put a clear over it. Like that.
It's looking good, done.
Gloss. Yeah.
Wow.
You did that. See the difference? Pre-stain. Stain.
Right, don't show it on there, so. Don't show it on there yet till we reach to the finishing. Yeah, show the difference. Pre-stain versus stain.
Yep. All this need now is the epoxy glass top. Gloss top.
It's not epoxy, it's varnish.
Something.
Look at that, man.
Guys, you have a turn your hand make fashion. You explain to them the whole fact that the 2 boards come together as one.
That is a step. I explained it, our situation. It looks good. If this was the varnish, you'd be okay with it? Like without any stain?
Yeah.
Wow.
For real. This looks like a perfectly good wood color.
Think you kindly.
You don't have to be deeper than this to me.
Let's see what happens. Let me see what my mind tell me. 'Cause my mind will tell me things, you know.
Alright guys, stay tuned for the progression and the decision. Alright, so now he's applying the actual stain, right? First you did the
Pre-stain.
pre-stain. So this is the actual stain color. I like it. I really like it. It looks like real.
A real board?
Yeah.
Then a real board?
No, I mean a real countertop now.
Then a real countertop?
Nah, it looks finished now. Before it did look raw.
Wait, look, Josh.
Guys, don't try this at home. Don't put on everything and then paint. Paint and then put it on. Nice.
Okay. So guys, I just use about the same brush with the stain in it, and I'm just gonna apply the varnish polyurethane and just mellow it out. Yeah. Hey, look, Josh, no look deeper. You must say it no look darker. He was worried that I make it look darker, but it no look darker. And this is gonna be the last application. It's been 4 hours, by the way. I need to tell y'all, 4 hours since this something been drying. So, but look, you looking good? You can see the sheen.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sound like you're not sure if you must see it. So with the stroke of a brush, I finally finished, guys. All is left is for me to just put on the handles to the door, and I would have completed one of my dream tasks for this house. All right. I still have a little bit more wiring to do. I wanted to put a little bit more frame up, but overall, it is perfect. So guys, here is my finish wall unit, fireplace, insert, everything. The tops came out perfect. The countertop came out perfect. The color was just what we wanted. You don't see too much. The split in the middle is not too, pronounced. The fireplace looks like it was made for the space. Well, the space was made for it. I love this fireplace, and we got it very, very reasonable. Overall, the unit just fits nicely in the space, and it gives us a little bit more leg room at the front of the house. I love the fireplace, as I said, because the color can be changed, so you can get a nice ambient lighting to fit any mood that you have. And the heat comes from the top, so I put that little mesh on it and ting. It works with a remote, so it makes it even more so convenient. I just love the tile inset or inlay around the fireplace, because it does bring off the aesthetics of the house and match up a little bit more with the kitchen. The TV is a little bit small, and yeah, admittedly so. But when we reach that bridge, that we cross it to get a new TV. Now that it's on the wall, it does look a little bit small. So we're definitely in the market to upgrade our TV. But me love the bill, and me now regret nothing. Guys, thank you for joining us. Big up on yourself. Is Yardie TV, another home project.